Hello, task 3, planning the trip. Student A, Marta Irene Pequiwanas, English B1, group number 868. Tutor Lady Tatiana Minda, UNAT 2022. A travel itinerary. Introduction of the place. The Salvajin Dam is a hydroelectric dam in the municipal of Suarezcauc. It is a spectacular site where you can see beautiful listed modern natural province. You must visit the Salvajin Dam because it is a place full of adventures and the climate in the dam is warm. Duration of the trip. The trip will last 3 days and 2 nights. First day depends on where you come from. You must always arrive at the municipal of Santander de Quirichao. Then you must take the bus, which pays to Timbacauc, Timbabal, and Suarezcauc. It has long warnary suti red is for conditional, but during this tour you can enjoy beautiful in las campes, rice crop, sugar, cane. Arriving in Suarez, you must pay a tax to head to the dam, which is located 10 minutes from the town. The second days, you can enjoy activities such as visit to the waypoint of the dam, boat ride on the dam, gastronomy items, recreation after come beautiful place. You can enjoy tag photos. The third days, the community invites tourists to become involved in the telling the story of the dam. If you participate in the activities carried out by the community, you can get a brochure on the historical review of the dam. In the afternoon, a must resume the January. If you buy the bus ticket, you will only pay 50%. Men of transporting. During the trip, you can use 3 types of transport: bus, taxi, and car. If you travel by bus, the trip is longer. If you want to get there faster, you should travel by taxi. You must travel by car if you want to go at your own pace. Activities to do. Visit the waterfall at the viewpoint of the dam. Tour by boat on the dam. Recreation in the pool. Places to stay. After several hours of travel, you can stay at the Salvajin Natural Hotel. Typical foods. Place you must treat the typical food of the region before tripping other foods. If you try the typical drink of the region, aguardiente that is very good for trees. Cost. The cost of the tour package is on a Mauri 100,005 per person for 3 days. Thank you.